Assalamu alaikum. In the diagram, you can see a plant that contains the two systems, the shoot system and the root system. A shoot system has leaf and stem, while the root system has the roots and the different parts. If we see the shoot system, then can you see that there are the apical bud, leaf perimodium, apical bud that is present at the apex or the terminal of the plant. The lateral bud that present on the sides of the stem internodes that are the difference between the two leaves, the nodes and the internodes, blade, the petiole. The petiole is the part with the help of which the leaf is attached to the stem. If we talk about the leaf, then we can see that a leaf, the upper protective layer that is called the cuticle, this is the layer that is absent in the animals. Then the epidermis, this is the dermal tissue that has the stomata, and the stomata are used for the gaseous exchange. Then the mesophyll. The mesophyll is the ground tissues. It contains the pallimesophyll and the spongy mesophylls. Palisade mesophyll and the spongy mesophyll are the part of the ground tissues, and they are also known as the vascular tissues that contain the xylem and the phloem. And then there is the lower epidermis that is also the part of the dermal tissues. If we talk about the stem, and then the stem cutis is absent, then the upper layer is the upper epidermis. This is the part of dermal tissue. Then the ground tissue that contains the xylem and the phloem, and these are also known as vascular tissues. The meristem, then the root. Root also contains the root hairs, epidermis, the ground tissue pericycle, xylem, phloem, vascular cambium, the meristematic tissues. If we talk about the root zone, then we will say that the roots are present below the soil, and the shoot system is present above the soil. The first root that emerges from the stem is known as the taproot. Then the different branches are emerged from the taproot that is known as the lateral roots. Then in the end, the root cap, that is the tip of the root apex, and the root hairs are the small hairs that are emerging from the taproot. So this is the root, and if this is all about the plant, the angiosperm plant.